Welcome to Purchase Reviews. In this video, I'll show you how to replace your old broken door handle with a new door handle set. First, you'll need to purchase a door handle set and make sure that it's compatible with the thickness of your door. This set suits doors 32 to 45mm in thickness. My door is 35mm thick. The face hole of my door is only around 20mm, and this set suits a face hole size of 50 to 54mm. As my old handles are discontinued, I'll have to increase the size of the face hole to fit the new handle set. Remove the cover plates of the old handle set using a flathead screwdriver. There's usually a small groove where you can pop the screwdriver in and lift the cover off. Trace with a pencil around the edge of the old handle base. This is to help with alignment when drilling the face hole later on. Now unscrew the screws that are holding the handles together and remove both handles. Take out the old door latch. You can fit a screwdriver in to take it out if you're having any trouble moving it. Now this set requires a 54mm face hole through the door and 25mm hole for the side latch. This hole saw set I purchased includes a 32, 38, 50 and 54mm saw and arbor bit. I'll use a 54mm saw bit as instructed for this particular door set. To put the whole saw bit together, unscrew the nut off the arbor bit and attach the saw bit as shown. Now if you just start drilling into the door, then you're going to mess up your face hole. You'll need to fill in the old face hole temporarily before you start drilling out the new one. I used a cork to fill in the old hole while wedging in a peg to keep it secure. You can do it this way or use a piece of wood instead to fill the hole. Find your centre and only drill halfway through. If you drill the whole way through, then the paint on the other side of the door will splinter. Do the exact same thing for the other side of the door. The wood jammed in the saw bit can easily be removed with a screwdriver. Pop in the new latch and trace around the plate with a pencil. Now grab a chisel, go around edges and hammer in at around 4mm depth or enough so that the new latch plate will sit flush with the door when inserted. You may have to drill out a larger side hole, but in my case it was already 25mm, which is the exact size of the side latch I bought. Make sure you put the latch in so that it matches the half moon shape of the catch when you close the door. Drill out some pilot holes and screw the side latch in when aligned. A lot of these screws are self-tapping, so you may not even need to make any pilot holes. Take out the old catch plate. Put the new catch plate in position and trace around it with a pencil. Again, chisel out so that the latch plate will sit flush with the door frame. Drill out some pilot holes and screw the latch plate in when aligned. Now pop in your door handles. There's usually a left and right marking behind the handle to show you exactly where they go. Screw in the handle nice and tight and then you're done. If you like this video, consider liking and subscribing for future reviews and how-to videos. Until next time, thanks for visiting Purchase Reviews and happy handling.